Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Honda Jazz SR. Now, as standard on the Jazz SRs, you do get the front parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, and then you do get these 16-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are in. Walking around the car to the rear now, we have got 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got, that does make, these parking sensors do make this thing an absolute doddle to park. We've then got your 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with that level just there. Walking around the car again to the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your cloth black grey with your black leather with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. The interior is the same throughout, and I think, in my personal opinion, it does provide a nice contrast for the exterior of the car as well. We've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your Econ, and then we've got your eCVT gearbox just here. We've got your climate control in the front, and then we've also got your 10-inch display over in the middle. This comes with your Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio, DAB, FM, and then you do also get your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This does provide your satellite navigation as well. We've then got additional storage up there. We've then got your voice control, volume, track select, and then we've also got your home and return, which controls your onboard computer up top. We've then got your speed limiter and cruise control over on the right hand side with your automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. We've then, as you can see, this car has only done 6,776 miles. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Honda Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.